Good day again sa lahat. Sa ngayon, ang ating pag-aaralan sa Easy Math with Sir Toto is solving systems of linear equations word problems. Una, dapat nating malaman kung anong ibig sabihin ng linear equations. Ang linear equations ay mga equations na ang exponent ng mga variables ay 1. Say for example, meron tayo ditong um, 2x plus 3y is equal to 72. So, mapapansin nyo dito na ang power ng x is 1 at ang power ng y is 1. So, ito ay considered as linear equations. Okay? Isa pang example. Meron kang z plus q is equal to 10. So, dito, ang power ng z is 1 at ang power ng q is 1. So, this is also a linear equation. Ano ba ang hindi mako-consider na linear equation? Ang quadratic equation, say for example, 2x squared plus y is equal to 32. Hindi ito linear equation dahil ang x is raised to the power of 2. Okay? So, linear siya dahil diretso lang. Okay? At ang power ay raised to 1 only. Yan ang definition ng linear equation. Ano naman ang systems of linear equation? Ang systems of linear equation ay composed of one or more linear equations or two or more linear equations rather na magkaparehas lang ang variable. Say for example, 3c 3c plus a is equal to 7. And then another here is 2c plus 5a is equal to 7. Okay? So dito mapapansin niyo na c at a lang ang variable. Sa second equation is c and a lang ang variable. So this is considered as a system of linear equation. But how do we solve linear equation word problems? Okay? Dapat magkaroon ka ng strategy when solving linear equation word problems. Una, para maintindihan, punta tayo sa ating first example. In our first example here, there are 13 animals in the barn. Some are chickens and some are pigs. There are 40 legs in all. How many of each animal are there? Una, dapat mong i-highlight ang mga important na data or information na nasa problem. Meron ka raw dito, we have 13 animals in the barn. So, meron kang total na 13 animals. Sabi niya, some are chicken and some are pigs. And there are 40 legs in all, 40 legs. Okay? How many of each animal are there? Tapos, isipin mo palagi kung ano ang hinahanap ng question. Okay? So, to start, dahil hindi mo alam kung ilang chicken, hindi mo atanong dito kung ilang chicken at ilang pig ang meron. Dahil hindi mo alam kung ilan, you represent the chicken and the pigs into a variable. Okay? The second step natin after you highlight important information is to represent into a variable. So, let x mo, ito yung mga chicken. Number of chickens. At ang y mo naman is equal to number of pigs. So, highlight mo na ang mga important information and then represent mo na ang unknown sa variable. And third step is to write an equation based on the given information. Ano ba ang sabi niya dito? Some are chicken and some are pig and there are 13 animals. So, ang first equation mo will be x plus y is equal to 13. Dahil kapag tinotal mo ang number ng chicken and ang number of pigs, 13 animals all in the barn. So, this is equation 1. Isa pang equation ulit. As, kailangan dalawang equations, magkaroon ka ng dalawang equations sa system of linear equations. There are 40 legs in all. Okay. Ito, importante din ito na alam mo kung ilan ang legs ng chicken. Di ba ang legs ng chicken is 2? So, you write here 2x. And then, ilan ang legs ng pig? So, you have here plus 4y is equal to 40. And this is your equation 2. So, this is in terms of the number of this first equation is in terms of the number of animals, and the second equation is in terms of the number of legs. Ngayon, kapag meron ka ng dalawang equation, the next thing for you to do is to find a number na kapag minultiply mo sa isa sa mga equations, ay pwede mo matanggal ang isang variable. Okay, so anong gagawin natin? Here, kapag nakita natin na kapag minultiply natin sa negative 2 ang first equation, ay pwede natin silang i-add at matatanggal natin ang 2x. So, you have here 2x, this is equation 2, 2x plus 4y is equal to 40. Kapag minultiply natin to sa negative 2, we will have negative 2x minus 2y is equal to negative 26. Now, meron ka ng pwedeng tanggalin kapag in-add mo sila. So, this, you can cancel. And then, 4y minus 2y plus negative 2y is equal to 2y. And 40 plus negative 26 is 14. Okay? So, if you divide 2y by 2, and 14 by 2, kailangan i-divide mo palagi ang both sides of the equation. You will have y is equal to 7. Alam mo na ngayon ang number of pigs. Ito, alam mo na. The next thing for you to do is to substitute the value of y in any of the equations. So, dito, gamitin natin ang equation 1 para mas madali tayong makapag-multiply. Okay? Dahil wala siyang numerical coefficient, ibig sabihin 1 lang siya. So, x plus ang y na 7 is equal to 13. So, x plus 7 is equal to 13. Ngayon, madali mo na masosolve ito kasi i-transpose mo lang ang 7 to the other side of the equation. And how do you do that? You just add here negative 7 and here also negative 7, and you will cancel this, and you will have x is equal to 13 minus 7 is 6. Ngayon, nakuha mo na ang number of chickens. And then, for you to ascertain, para malaman mo kung tama ang iyong sagot, i-substitute mo ulit sa isa sa mga equation. So dito, kunyari, dahil nagamit na natin ang equation 1, sa equation 2 naman tayo. Kailangan tama ang total na 40 legs sila. Ayan. Ang chicken daw ay 6. So 2 legs, ang sabi natin dito kanina, times 6 plus 4 times 7 should be equal to 40. So, ito ang systems of equation. Kailangan hanapin mo ang values na ang ordered pairs na which will prove both equations correct. Okay? So, 2 times 6 is 12 and 4 times 7 is 28. Should be equal to 40. And indeed, 40 is equal to 40. So, dito, tama ang value ng x and y is 6 and 7. Ngayon, gamitin natin ang equation 1 para malaman natin kung tama din na 6 and 7 ang ordered pairs. So here, you have x plus y is equal to 13. X plus y is equal to 13. And then, x, which is 6, and y na 7 is equal to, should be equal to 13. And indeed, 13 is equal to 13. So, tama. Ang value ng x and y dito is 6 ang x, 7 ang y. So, ganito ang pag-solve ng linear equations, systems of linear equations. For the sake of practice, let's have another example. The sum of two numbers is 10 and their difference is 46. What are the two numbers? Una, i-highlight mo muna ang important information. Mayroon kang dalawang number at ang sum daw nila is 10. And their difference is 46. What are the two numbers? Ang hinahanap ay ang dalawang numbers. So, hindi natin alam yung mga numbers. So, we will represent them into variables. So, una, you let x first number be the first number. And then y, ito yung second number mo. Now, you create two equations, two linear equations. Dito, ang sabi niya, the sum of two numbers is 10. So, you can write it as x plus y is equal to 10. At ang sabi naman dito sa second mo, the difference is 46. So, x minus y is equal to 46. Ito yung equation 1 mo. Ito yung equation 2 mo. Ngayon, pwede mo ba silang ma-add? Hindi ka na maghanap ng ibang number? Pwede na. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo dito, ang y is positive sa first equation at ang y sa second equation is negative. So let's add. Ngayon, you can cancel the y. What you will have, because you're adding it, you have here 2x is equal to 56. Okay? And if you divide both sides of the equation by 2, you can cancel 2 here. You can have 56 divided by 2 is 28. This is x is equal to 28. So, meron ka ng value ng x. Ngayon, hanapin mo ang value ng y using any of the original equations that you created. Okay? So, here we will use the first equation, x plus y is equal to 10. So, x is 28. 28 plus y is equal to 10. Transpose mo ang 28 to the other side, we will just add negative 28. Dito rin sa kabila is negative 28. So, here you can cancel 28. What you will have is y is equal to 10 plus negative 28 is equal to, this is negative 18. Okay? So y is negative 18. Now, let's go and try to find out if indeed the values of x and y are true with both the first and the second equation. So before we do that, we will erase here and also here. We will leave the original equation para makita natin kung tama. Now, sa original equation, sa first equation, you have here x plus y is equal to 10. So, x plus y is equal to 10. So, you have here x as 28 plus negative 18 should be equal to 10. So, 28, this is 28 minus 18 is equal to 10, and indeed 10 is equal to 10. So, the values of x and y for the first equation are true. Okay. Punta naman tayo sa second equation, x minus y. So, the second equation is x minus y is equal to 46. Delete mo natin x minus y is equal to 6. Substitute natin yan ang values ng x and y. You have here 28 plus, so kayo mo ang minus pala ito, ang sign. Be careful with the sign. You have here minus. And then, ano ba ang y mo? Negative 18 is equal to 46. Ngayon, 28 minus minus kapag minumultiply natin ito, dalawang signs natin, tandaan na kapag mag-multiply ka ng parehong dalawang sign should be equal to a positive. And positive times positive is also positive. Magiging negative lang kung magkaiba sila ng sign. Tulad dito sa ating first equation, here, this is positive, this is negative, kaya negative 18 ito. But here, since both are negative, magiging positive na. So you will have 28 plus 18 should be equal to 46. And indeed, 46 is equal to 46. So tama din ang values ng ordered pair, ng values ng ordered pair natin sa second equation. So we have uh, arrived to the correct answer, to the correct value of x and y. Your x is 28, x is 28, and y is negative 18. And lastly, again for the sake of practice, we will have another example. In a playground for kindergarten kids, 18 children are riding tricycles or bicycles. If there are 43 wheels in all, how many tricycles are there? So ano ba ang hinahanap muna? Ang importante information ay hinahanap kung ilan ang tricycles. Okay. And then, ano pa ibang importante information? 18 children, meron kang total na 18 children na some are riding tricycle and some are riding bicycles. Okay. Tapos, merong 23 wheels all in all. Ngayon, na-highlight mo na, ang hinahanap niya ay ang number of tricycles, pero hindi mo alam kung ilan ang number ng tricycles. So, pwede mo nang sabihin na that x is equal to the number of tricycles. Tapos, may isa ka pang variable dito, na isa ka pang given dito na kailangan i-represent mo also into our variable. So, y is equal to the number of bicycles. Now, you write an equation in terms of the children. So, here, dahil 18 ang children, wala namang sinasabi na dalawa naglalaro sa isang ang tricycle sa bicycle. So, you assume na paisa-isa sila ng pinaglalaroan. So, here, your first equation will be x plus y is equal to 18. At tulad ng previous problems natin about the legs of an animal, dito magkaiba din ang legs, ang wheels pala ng tricycle at saka bicycle. Okay, so kung ang dito sa x, kailangan i-multiply natin siya sa 3 kasi 3 ang gulong ng tricycles. Because we are writing an equation in relation to the wheels. Tapos ang bicycles naman ay may dalawang gulong. So, sabi natin dito na 2y is equal to 43 wheels all in all. Ngayon dito, dahil wala tayong same variable na pwede na pag-inad natin ay makakancel natin dito sa first and second equation, i-multiply natin ang maghanap tayo ng number na kapag multiply natin sa one of the equations at pag inad natin ay matatanggal natin ang isang variable. So dito, nakikita ko mas madali i-multiply equation 1. So I will have here 3x plus 2y is equal to 43. At gusto kong i-multiply ang first equation, gusto kong tanggalin kunyari ang y. So kasi tatanggalin ko ang bicycles. So i-multiply ko siya by negative 2. So, if I multiply, I will have here negative 2x, 2 times negative plus y is minus 2y, and 18 times negative is negative 36. So here, kapag natin matatanggal ko na ang y, 3x minus 2x is simply x, and 36 and 43 minus 36 is equal to 7. So, nahanap na natin ang hinahanap ng problem. How many tricycles are there? Pero, to be sure, para alam natin, sigurado ano po natin number, hanapin muna natin ang value ng y. So, i-substitute natin ang 7 sa first equation na x plus y. Dito sa first equation, x plus y is equal to 18. So, ang x is 7, ang y plus y is equal to 18. add negative 7 and negative 7 here. You can cancel 7. What will be left is y is equal to 11. Okay? Ngayon, let's find out kung tama ba ang ating nakuhang mga numbers. Before we proceed pala, dahil asabi mo x is equal to 7, pabigyan ka ng choice, so letter C ang tamang sagot dito. But then, let's find out, let's check kung tama ba ang mga values na nakuha natin. Okay, i-substitute natin ang values ng x and y sa equation. Sa unang equation is, you have here x plus y is equal to, itong equation na to. Ito equation 1. Okay, so x plus y should be equal to 18. So you have here 7 plus 11 is equal to 18, and indeed 18 is equal to 18. So, tama ang value ng ating ordered pairs sa equation 1. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa equation 2 in order for us to be sure na tama should also satisfy the values of x and y should also satisfy the second equation. Dito, meron tayong 3 times x. Ano ba ang x natin? Ang x natin is 7. So, 7 times 7 plus 2 times y natin na 11 should be equal to 43. And 3 times 7 is 21. And plus 2 times 11 na 22 ay 22 should be equal to 43. And indeed, 43 is equal to 43. So, tama ang mga values ng x and y na nakuha natin. It's 7 is x and y is 11. Pero dito, ang hinahanap, dahil may choice tayo, letter C ang tamang sagot. So, ganyan naman po. Katali, ang pag-solve ng systems of linear equation. Una, dapat i-highlight mo ang mga important na information. Pangalawa, i-represent mo into variables ang mga unknown. And then, pangatlo, you try to have two equations. And number 3, and lastly, hanapin mo ang values ng x and y using both equations. You can either add, you can either subtract, or you can either multiply a number in order for you to be able to eliminate one variable. So, yan lamang po. At kung gusto niyo pa po ng mga um, problems na tulad nito, you can subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for future updates. Hanggang dito na naman po at see you!